All right, we're going to go over the foldable that you're going to be working on. We want to first look at the first one. This is inequalities because they have an inequality symbol. An inequality symbol are those that are greater than, less than, or greater than or equal to. Okay, those are called inequalities. Remember, an equation has an equal sign, but an inequality has an inequality symbol. Let's look at the first one. That is the inequality symbol for greater than. Let's read the first statement. You must be older than 12 to drive a go-kart. So can you be 12 and be allowed to drive the go-kart? No, you have to be older than 12 in order to drive the go-kart. Okay, this one says greater than or equal to. Notice it's equal to because there is a line underneath that greater to symbol. This one says you must be at least 18 to buy concert tickets. Since it says at least 18, can you be 18 and buy the concert tickets? Yeah. Let's look at the next one. Less than. This is the symbol for less than. On this one it says children under 6 ride free. So is a 6-year-old going to ride free? No. Is a 5-year-old going to ride free? Yes. Because it's under 6, so that's just less than. It does not include the 6. The next one says less than or equal to. The reason why it's less than and equal to is because of the line that's underneath the inequality symbol. On this statement it says children up to age 3 get into the festival for free. So will 3-year-olds be free when you go to the festival? Yes, so that's included. So up to age 3, 3-year-olds would be free. The last one is not equal. You can tell it's an equal sign that you've always known about, but it has a line through it, meaning that those values or the equation is not equal to it. So if we look at the last statement, it says the answer is any number except 5. So we know that our answer is not 5. There's a few things you need to know. The first thing is that an open circle, when we graph these, an open circle means not equal. A closed circle that's filled in means it is equal. And we have our symbols, less than or greater than. And when we have those, it means that it does not include the number. We have equal, so we have less than or equal to, which is the line underneath, or greater than or equal to with a line underneath, and it is going to include the number that's in our statement. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the first one. It said you must be older than 12 to drive a go-kart. When we open it up and we look at it, we see you must be older than 12 to drive a go-kart. So does it include 12-year-olds or not include 12-year-olds? It doesn't include 12-year-olds. So we're going to make our number line, and I'm just going to put 12 in the middle and number it. And I know that it says A is greater than 12. That means that I'm not going to include that 12-year-old, so I'm going to put an open circle on 12. Now, we want to pick any number that is greater than 12. So let's pick 14. Is 14 greater than 12? Yes. Is 16 greater than 12? Yes. So we're going to shade the numbers that are greater than 12. If we picked 9, is 9 greater than 12? No, so you would know not to shade this way. Look at the next one. C is greater than or equal to 18. Since it says equal to, we're going to have a closed circle. Okay, that means that, remember we talked about the concert tickets? You can be 18 and still buy a ticket to the concert. So I'm going to just pick my numbers. And on 18, am I going to have an open circle or a closed circle? Yep, I'm going to have a closed circle. So I shade it. And then it says you have to be greater than or equal to 18 to buy a concert ticket. Pick a number. Is 20 greater than 18? Yep, so we're going to shade to the right. Let's look at the next one. The next one says F is less than 6. Since it doesn't have an equal sign, are we going to have an open circle or a closed circle? Yep, we have an open circle because it's not equal. So let's make our number line. Find 6. And on 6, we're going to have an open circle because there's no equal sign. And let's read it. F is less than 6. Pick a number. Pick 8. Is 8 less than 6? No, so we're not going to shade that direction. We're going to shade this direction. Let's look at the next one. X is less than or equal to 3. Since it's less than or equal to, what kind of circle are we going to have on 3? Good, a closed circle. A closed circle on the 3. And now we're going to try a number. I'm going to pick the number 7. Is 7 less than or equal to 3? No, so we're not going to shade that way. Let's try the other side. 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 3? Yes, we're going to shade that direction. Last one. Y does not equal 5. So not equal, are we going to have an open circle or a closed circle? Good, an open circle. So let's make our number line. And on 5, we're going to have an open circle. Now, 3 does not equal 5. So that means I'm going to shade 3. Pick another number. 9. 9 does not equal 5. So that means my answer can be any number except for the number 5. Perfect. Great job.